The year is 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's changing the world as we know it. But how good has AI become? Is it enough to replace human? Of so many AI available now, one of the most exciting frontiers in AI is video creation. Imagine a world where complex software can generate entire videos with just a few words of instruction. This is the power of Invideo.io. It's a game changer. Invideo.io is at the forefront of this revolution. It empowers anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to produce professional quality videos. How does it achieve this? By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. This technology might seem daunting at first. However, as we delve into the intuitive design and user-friendly interface of Invideo.io, you'll discover that it's remarkably simple to use. In this rapidly evolving digital landscape, video content is king. Whether it's for social media marketing, educational purposes, or personal expression, videos have become the preferred medium of communication. Invideo.io recognizes this need. It provides a comprehensive platform where creativity knows no bounds. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the potential of AI-powered video creation. Before you can dive into the world of AI-powered video creation, you need to create an account on Invideo.io. Don't worry, it's a quick and painless process. Simply head over to the Invideo.io website. You'll be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located prominently at the top of the page. Invideo.io offers several convenient ways to sign up. You can choose to use your email address, or you can streamline the process by using your existing Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Once you've chosen your preferred method, simply follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Invideo.io account. Now the real fun begins. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is your command center where you'll access all of Invideo.io powerful features. One of the most remarkable features of Invideo.io is its extensive library of templates. These templates are pre-designed video layouts created by professional designers. They cover a wide range of themes, styles, and purposes. Whether you're creating a promotional video for your business, an engaging social media post, or a captivating intro for your YouTube channel, Invideo.io has a template to suit your needs. To explore the template library, simply navigate to the Templates section on your dashboard. You'll be presented with a vast collection of templates categorized by industry, style, and platform. Browse through the options and preview the templates that catch your eye. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it to open it in the editor. Now the real fun begins. Invideo.io Intuitive Editor allows you to customize every aspect of your chosen template. You can easily replace the placeholder text with your own message, swap out the stock footage with your own videos or images, and add your brand's colors and logo to create a cohesive and professional look. Section 4. Text to Video: The Magic of AI. Prepare to be amazed by one of Invideo.io's most groundbreaking features, text-to-video generation. This AI-powered tool enables you to create stunning videos simply by typing in your desired text. Imagine writing a script for a video and having it come to life right before your eyes, complete with visuals, music, and even voiceovers. That's the magic of Invideo.io text-to-video feature. To experience this incredible capability, navigate to the text-to-video section on your dashboard. You'll be presented with a text box where you can input your script or message. Be as detailed or as concise as you like. Invideo.io AI will analyze your text and generate a video that aligns with your input. What's truly remarkable is that Invideo.io AI doesn't just slap your text onto a generic background. It carefully selects relevant stock footage, adds smooth transitions, and even incorporates subtle animations to bring your words to life. Section 5. The Future of Creation: AI or Humans? What does the future hold for video creation? Will AI replace humans, or will they coexist and collaborate? AI tools like Invideo.io revolutionize video creation, empowering everyone to produce professional content. But AI lacks the human touch, creativity, empathy, and understanding. The future lies in collaboration, combining AI with human ingenuity. Invideo.io provides a platform for this balance. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.